Hello students, today I want to explain about 5th lesson in chapter 1. It's about inequalities. You can add or subtract or multiply or divide the numbers from both sides of an inequality, and the statements will be true. Okay, if we have a greater than b, that means a plus c also greater than b plus c. And then when you have a greater than b, then a minus c is also greater than b minus c. And then such that we must have b and c, both of them positive numbers, it doesn't negative. And then a times c greater than b times c, when you have a c greater than 0, and then a greater than b also. When you have a greater than b, c also greater than 0, it means you have positive number. When you have a positive numbers, the times also greater than. And when you have a greater than b and c also positive number, then also the divide of a over c greater than b over c. And there we have use that property is true for all inequality symbols. That means we have greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to 2. In example 1, we have to solve each inequality and graph the solution on the number line. First, we have x plus 9 less than 15. Because we have 9, we move 9 to other sides. We say x less than 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 equal to what? 6. So x less than or equal to 6. In the number line, just we write 6, and then we have equal. We have an equal sign. It means that the circle is empty. And then less than, which side is less than, 5 or 7? Absolutely 5. So we are right to left side here. In example B, we have d minus 3 greater than or equals negative 6, because we have minus, or we moved negative 3 to other side. So we say d greater than or equals negative 6 plus 3. Because we have different sign, we do minus d greater than or equals negative 3. So we plot it on the number line. When we have negative 3, that means we have negative 4, negative 2. Every time when we are going to left side, the number is greater than with a negative sign, but in the value is less than from negative 3. Negative 4 less than negative 3. Negative 3 is also less than negative 2. And then because we have equal sign, it means we have the circles full, and then greater than negative 3, we are going to right side. In example 2, we have to solve each inequality. We have 3x greater than or equal to negative 27. Because we have times, we do divide both by 3. And then x equal to greater than or equal to 27 divided by 3 equal to negative 9, because we have different sign. So we plot it on the number line. We have negative 9, negative 10, and then we have negative 8. Because if we have equal sign, the circle is full, and then we are going to right side. There's also, we have a fraction. When we have a fraction, we multiply with the reciprocal of the fraction, student, every time. Because we have 2 over 3, we do times 3 over 2. Both sides times 3 over 2. Now clear both, just remain y, and then less than or equal 6 times 3, 18. 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. So we have y less than or equal to 9. We have 9, and then we have 8, and then we have 10. Because it's positive, when we have positive, we are going to right side, so the numbers will be greater. So we have equal sign, we make a circle with full color, and then less than 9 is left side, because 8 and 7 are less than 9. So it's positive. And in example 3, we have solve each inequality and graph the solution. The first, we must know about the note, students. If you need to multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must reverse the sign of inequality. There's also, you have negative 8 over negative 8x greater than 48. Because we have negative 8, we must divide both, and then we have times, so we do divide both by negative 8. Clear both, just we must write x. And when we have greater than, we reverse is to less than. 48 divided by 8 equal to 6 with negative sign, because we have different signs, so we write negative sign for the number. And that one is also the circle empty. We have left side, or we are going to left side for the graph, so less than in the left side. In example B, also we have negative 3 less than or equal negative x over 5. It's times negative number, so we do times negative 5. Both sides times negative 5, clear both, and then we reverse the sign of inequality to greater than, to less than, change to less than. Negative 5 times negative 3 it's equal to positive 15. So x less than or equal to negative positive 15, sorry. So less than in left side also, because it's positive, we have 14, 13, and then others. And then we have the circle is full because the numbers or we have a sign equal for the inequality sign. That list is also so important. I think that's enough for that lesson because it's so easy. Sorry, I want to explain question 57. Question 57, which number is not solution for 2 over 3x greater than or equal negative 1 over 2? Because it's no solution, the first we solve it. We have a fraction, so we do times 3 over 2, both sides 3 over 2, clear both, remain x, and then 1 times 3 is negative 3, greater than or equal negative 3, over 2 times 2 equal to 4. Good. Now 3 over 4 is equal to 3 over 2, yeah, is equal to 0.75 with negative sign, you can say. And then we have which one is no solution. 12 is a solution. When we have graph it, we have like this, students: negative 2, negative 1, 0. Negative 3 and half, it will be here. It will be here, okay? And we have equal signs greater than, that side is true. So which numbers doesn't include it in that interval? 1.5 is positive, it's here. For example, if you have 1 here. And then 1 over 4 is also here with negative sign, it's here. 12 and 1 over 2 is more than in that interval, is also included for the interval, so it's a solution too. But when we have negative 1 in D, that one is not included in the interval, it's in outside the interval, so that one is the correct answer because we have not in the question. I hope that videos also help you. Thanks for watching, students.